Hi, I'm back to annoy you again by showing you how people do math wrong, but you learn this way. When I gave a question like this out as either a homework or a quiz question, there would be somebody who would come back and tell me that the answer is square root of 10. That is not correct. They took an illegal shortcut. Let me prove it to you. I want you to simplify it. Let's just check. If you're at home doing your homework, how do you know what you did is right? Grab a calculator, and I'm not saying have ChatGPT do it for you. I'm just saying get a calculator, punch the buttons for yourself, and check your answers. So we have the square root of 8 plus the square root of 2 is equal to 4.24. So what's the square root of 10? If they're supposed to be equal, should come out right, correct? So let's see what we get. 3.16, which is not 4.24. So something went wrong here. Let's do it again. This time let's do it the way you're supposed to do it, because there is a property that says you cannot add square roots unless they have the same square root, like unless they have the same radicand. So I got to change this square root of 8. I got to see if I can simplify this at all. I can't do anything with the 2, but with the 8, I can call it 4 times 2. And then I can take this and break that up into 2 square roots that were multiplied together. This is legal. When it's multiplication, the square root of 4 times the square root of 2 is the square root of 4 times 2. It is not going to work with addition. I just showed you that. The square root of 4 is 2 root 2 plus 1 root 2, and I get 3 root 2. So does this work? And again, if you're getting graded on it, I check it all the time anyway. Okay, so I still have this. Let's put in 3 square root 2. What we're trying to match is square root of 8 plus square root of 2, which is 4.24, and 3 times the square root of 2 is also 4.24264. They match. So this is the answer that was on my answer key. Yay!